How to fix Ethernet not working in Windows 11. Let's get started. Today we have got a super useful guide for those of you dealing with Ethernet connection issues on Windows 11. First things first, make sure your Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both your router and your computer. It may sound basic, but you'd be surprised how often this simple step can fix the issue. Next, try restarting both your router and your PC. Sometimes a quick reset is all it takes to get things back on track. To reset your PC, click on the start icon. Now click on this power icon. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of reset. After you reset your PC, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution. At the bottom left corner, you will find the search box. Over there, type in View Network Connections. After it appears, open it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find the option of Ethernet. Double click on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Disable. After you disable it, now wait for minimum 60 seconds and then again enable it. By this, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, close this. Now go ahead and click on the search box and then type in over there Device Manager. After it appears, open it. A new window will open up. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of Network Adapters. Under that, you will find different network adapter options. Head towards the Ethernet adapter. Just double click on it. Mine is Realtek. Now click on the option of Update Driver. Select the option Search automatically for drivers. With that, the best drivers for your device will be installed. After you complete this process, you can give a fresh restart to your PC, and with that, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Ethernet not working in Windows 11. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.